Hey guys, welcome back for another quick midweek meal. This chicken pot pie pasta recipe is the kind that takes just minutes to put together in a single skillet. In a large pot of boiling salted water, let's cook the pasta according to package directions. Meanwhile, in a large saucepan, melt butter over medium-high heat. Add onion, celery, seasoning, and salt and cook until the onion is translucent for about 4 minutes. Let's add in the flour and cook, stirring for about a minute. Gradually adding the broth, stirring constantly, and then let's bring it to a boil. I'm going to reduce the heat and simmer for 5 minutes, stirring throughout. Now we drain the water from the mixed vegetables and add them to the skillet along with the cooked chicken and combine these with the sauce. Since the pasta is ready, we're going to drain the water from the pot and add it to the skillet, tossing it to combine. We're going to turn off the heat, cover it, and let it rest for about a minute or two. Let's serve this into a bowl, shall we? Smells just like chicken pot pie. Delicious, and the best part is that leftovers could also make a great thermos lunch. See you next time.